Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story, and then I'm going to upload an image from my gallery. I'm gonna go with, for example, this one. Okay, and I'm going to collaborate on this Instagram story with my second account. Before we upload our story, we can customize the Instagram story. We can add tag, sticker, effect, or music, and you can customize your Instagram story according to your needs, as creative as you can. And then once you're ready to share it, you can click on your story, and we're going to add mention after the Instagram story has been uploaded. Okay, hold on guys. Now the Instagram story is being posted or uploaded. I'm going to wait it until it's uploaded. Okay, now it's done. And if we want to add mention, we can click on the more option. Oops. Click on more option and then click on add mention. And I'm going to mention my second account. Okay, this is my second account guys, and I'm going to add it to my Instagram story because I want to collaborate on my Instagram story with this account. Okay, now the mention has been added, and I'm going to go to my second account. Okay, right here. And if we want to repost or collaborate on the Instagram story, we can go to the notification, or we can go to the Instagram direct messages. And as you can see, this is my first account who mentioned my second account. And if we want to collaborate, we can click on add to your story. Okay, and to get the full screen, you can tap on the story like this. And before you upload it to your Instagram, you can add music, sticker, or text. And I'm going to add music, for example. I'm just going to add this music, okay. And then once you're ready to share it, you can click on your story. Okay, and let's see the final result. Okay, now the story is being uploaded. Hold on guys. I think my internet connection is not that good, but wait. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. You'll be able to see the collaboration right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to collaborate on an Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!